Welcome back to the channel. Ever admired the captivating intensity of hunter eyes? These piercing eyes, characterized by a defined brow bone, slight downward tilt, and deeper set appearance, have captivated audiences for centuries. Gracing the faces of celebrities and historical figures alike, hunter eyes exude a sense of confidence, strength, and mystique. But achieving this coveted look doesn't necessarily require resorting to cosmetic procedures. This guide delves deeper into natural methods you can incorporate into your routine to enhance your eye area and unlock your inner hunter gaze. Number 1. Harness the power of posture, aligning your body for a defined look. Good posture goes beyond aesthetics. Research by the National Institutes of Health, NIH, suggests a connection between posture and facial structure. Chronic slouching can strain the neck muscles, potentially leading to a more rounded appearance in the mid-face and affecting the overall eye position. Imagine your head as an extension of your spine, not jutting forward. Practicing proper posture with your shoulders back and head held high can subtly elongate the neck and potentially influence a more defined jawline, which can indirectly contribute to a sharper eye area. Stand tall, elongate your spine, and feel the confidence radiate not just from your posture, but also from your gaze. Number 2. Befriend facial exercises. Sculpting subtle enhancements. Facial exercises, similar to any muscle training, can offer subtle improvements over time. Focus on exercises that target the brow bone and upper eyelid area. Here are a simple 2-step routine you can incorporate daily. Brow raises. Gently raise your eyebrows as high as possible. Hold for a few seconds, then relax. Repeat 10 to 15 times. This exercise strengthens the frontalis muscle, which can contribute to a more lifted and defined brow bone. Eye squints. To target the upper eyelid, squint upwards slightly. Hold for a few seconds, then relax. Repeat 10 to 15 times. This exercise engages the levator palpebrae superioris muscle, which helps lift the upper eyelid and potentially create a more defined appearance. Remember, consistency is key. Perform these exercises daily for several weeks to observe any potential changes. Listen to your body, and if you experience any discomfort, stop the exercise and consult a healthcare professional. Number 3. Embrace the art of mewing, figuratively. Exploring potential benefits. Mewing is a posture exercise that involves placing your tongue on the roof of your mouth, pressing against the palate. Proponents of this technique believe it can influence facial structure over time by promoting proper jaw development and potentially leading to a more defined jawline and subtly affecting the eye area. While scientific research on mewing is limited, some users report positive experiences. It's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before attempting mewing, especially if you have any pre-existing jaw or dental conditions. A qualified professional can assess your individual situation and advise on the suitability of this technique. Number 4. Sleep, your underrated beauty ally for a refreshed gaze. Chronic sleep deprivation can wreak havoc on your appearance, including the delicate eye area. When you sleep, your body undergoes cellular repair and rejuvenation. During this restorative period, fluids distribute evenly throughout the body, reducing puffiness and under-eye circles. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, establish a consistent sleep schedule, and prioritize a sleep-conducive environment. This allows your body to restore itself, leading to a more refreshed and alert appearance with eyes that sparkle with vitality. Number 5. Hydration is key, nourishing your body for a radiant look. Dehydration can manifest in various ways, including a dull complexion and puffy eyes. Drinking sufficient water throughout the day helps flush toxins, promotes overall well-being, and plumps the skin. Studies published in the National Library of Medicine recommend consuming around 3.7 liters, 15.5 cups, of fluids daily for men and 2.7 liters, 11.5 cups, for women. Focus on water as your primary source of hydration, but incorporating fruits and vegetables with high water content can also contribute to your daily intake. By staying hydrated, you nourish your skin from the inside out, promoting a radiant complexion and potentially reducing puffiness around the eyes. Number 6. Embrace strategic makeup techniques, enhancing your natural beauty. Makeup artistry offers a safe and effective way to enhance your features and achieve the hunter eye look. Here are some tips to utilize makeup strategically. Contouring. Subtle contouring techniques can define your brow bone and create a more sculpted appearance. Use a shade slightly darker than your foundation to define the shape of your brow bone. Apply the contour product in a light sweeping motion just below the brow bone, blending seamlessly for a natural finish. Eyeliner. A thin line of eyeliner applied close to the upper lash line can accentuate your eyes and create a slight downward tilt illusion. Mascara. Darkening and lengthening your lashes with mascara draws attention to the eyes and intensifies your gaze. Remember, the key is to maintain a natural look. Remember, true beauty radiates from within. Embrace your unique features and focus on healthy habits for a naturally captivating look. While these methods can subtly enhance your eye area, genetics play a significant role. If you have any concerns about your facial structure, consult a qualified healthcare professional. Intrigued by the world of beauty and wellness? Subscribe to our channel for exclusive content on achieving your best self naturally.